Guangzhou AOQUN brush. Focus on quality, focus on brand. Hello everyone. AOQUN want to introduce you a bottle brush for the oil bottle using in the passenger plane. You can see this bottle is very special. The bottleneck is narrow. The bottle is very large. Therefore, the normal cylindrical brush is hard to clean the whole bottle. Thus, AOQUN designed a little bottle brush, which has the similar shape and length as the oil bottle. To do this cleaning task, the brush filament is made of soft nylon filament. Soft enough. So it can be inserted into the level bottle neck easily. Go deep inside the bottle for thoroughly cleaning. After cleaning, it can back to shape quickly. The handle is made of 304 stainless steel, best for cleaning without rust. This bottle brush can also clean other bottles with the similar shape. That's all, thank you. Want more information? Please pay attention to AOQUN or contact AOQUN.